Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to all you newbies. It might be checking out my channel for the first time. My name is Stephanie. You guys, I got my ice cream beauty box from a post office box. Here it is. August 2023 Ice Cream Beauty. This is supposed to be really good. Here's how it looks when you open it up. Cheat sheet. Let's see what they're calling it. Under the Sea is the theme. Let's just get in it, guys. $25 for this subscription box per month. That's shipped to you. You don't pay anything extra for shipping. So first thing is, we knew this was coming. It was part of my channel. I had a couple of early release information. This is Earth Harbor's Mermaid Milk. This is really heavy. It's got to be in a glass bottle or jar. Let's get a little pry bar here. Where are you? You're hidden. Well, we'll just use this. Okay. This is what it looks like. Mermaid milk. So the whole under the sea theme. Nutrient Glow Moisture with spirulina and matcha. Spirulina is very green. I believe matcha tends to be a little green too, but spirulina is very green. Very, very, very green. So let's take a look and see. I feel like this doesn't have a safety seal. Could be wrong. Oh, nope, does not. That's what it looks like. Smells pretty good, actually. Kind of surprised. All right. Nutrient Glow Moisture, Spirulina, and Matcha, 2 fluid ounces. Let's see what the box has to say. It says it is a purely natural replenishing moisturizer that hydrates and balances skin while giving you a mermaid glow. Mermaid Milk's lightweight, creamy formula is packed with concentrated superfoods, vegan hyaluronic acid, phytonutrients, and antioxidants that perfectly moisturize, soothe, and nurture skin. Wear her under makeup or alone to let skin breathe. After cleansing and toning, massage a small amount in skin in upward circular motions. Apply more as needed based on your skin's present moisture needs. All right, I will probably try that. I like Earth Harbor products. I know some people can be allergic to spirulina. That's usually when ingested, because you can actually, certain types of spirulina you can ingest. I don't know if I've ever heard about anybody having an issue with it on, like, topically. So very interesting. All right, next item is Beauty for Certain. Oh, let's get the dollar amount on that. Mermaid Milk by Earth Harbor, $42 is the MSRP on this. You can find Earth Harbor products at Whole Foods. So $42, that's already almost, not quite, but almost twice the cost of the box. Okay, Beauty for Certain. This is a matte liquid lipstick, $22. It says this matte liquid lipstick goes on smooth, stays in place. You get the look you want without the hassle of reapplying. That's Beauty for Certain. Beauty for Certain is a brand created by rapper BIA, best known for her song Whole Lotta Money of her For Certain album. Let's see what shade tone it is. I do feel like I'm missing my usual pry bar. Here's one. Here's one we'll use. Okay. Not a big liquid lipstick. Ooh, if it dries down, like super drying, that's a pretty color. What do they say it's called? Number 50. I don't know if you guys will be able to see how red that is. I don't know. It's got like a metallic-y. It's very pretty. Very pretty color. Yeah, it's interesting. It just says number 50. There's not actually like a color. So let's go ahead. It's quite dark. So that is pretty. I'm just going to do a big old swatch on my hand. I like the look of this. Not really into darks. This really comes across almost as a metallic. That's a pretty shade. Oh, it almost has a chocolatey. I don't know if I'm like making that up. It almost has like a chocolatey kind of scent to it. That would be really nice. Well, let's see if that dries down and then like smudges off or what it does. I'll be curious to see that. Okay, this is Charmacy. Okay, so again, that was $22 for the liquid lipstick. Charmacy. The Charmacy Global. This is a multi-chrome liquid eyeliner, and it's $12. Here's what it looks like. It says a long-lasting waterproof liquid eyeliner formula that shifts between 3 to 4 colors depending on the way the light hits You can use this over black eyeliner or just on its own to create different effects. Y'all know I love dual chromes and multi-chromes, and I think the beauty industry has been taken by storm by brands such as Leona, Divina Cosmetics, Terra Moons that have been doing tons of dual and multi-chrome shades, and they're all the rage on, you know, Instagram and TikTok and stuff. So I think the beauty industry is kind of figuring out they need to be up on their game on this. Oh, it's kind of tight in there. Come on, there we go. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Ooh, goodness. Ooh, you guys, so pretty. It says Milano. I think it says Milano. I'm not really sure, but I don't know if you guys can see that. I just want to open it and get right into swatching it. First, let's see what the application looks like. Not a big fan of this kind of applicator, but I get it. There it is. It's a brush. So let's, oh my gosh, you guys, so pretty. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to draw all over. Oh, you guys, it's so pretty. Super beautiful right there. Metallic, pretty colors. I'm definitely getting some shifting going on. Let's let that dry. Wow, that's pretty. Y'all, 25 bucks for this box and $12 for that liquid eyeliner. That's awesome. Okay, we've got a little one in here. Oh boy. Something Mermaid. Ocean Breeze is the color. I don't know what is this? Okay, here it is. It's right in the middle. $10 for this. Loose Shimmer Pigment by Mermaid Cosmetics. To complement our eyeshadow collaboration. Ooh, that was a hard word for me. Collaboration. We've decided to include one of Mermaid Scale's signature pigment powders. This is a loose eyeshadow pigment with shimmers inside, offers very intense colors. Mermaid Scale's Cosmetics has also offered a discount code, which is EYESCREAM, on their entire website. So, you guys, if you want to check this brand out and get a discount code, their website is mermaidscalesusa.com, all one word. And then there's a discount code EYESCREAM, like the brand here, the box. So that's pretty. I really hope I don't make a mess because loose pigments can be really messy. And this one's open. Oh, goodness. Okay. We're just going to close that back up. I am absolutely terrified of making a mess because it's already all over both my hands. So the safety seal was broken. Can you see the shimmering all over my hands? It's like glitter everywhere. It's all over. I know you can't see the pigment color, but I'm already got like shimmers and glitters everywhere. And yeah, we're just going to try to get that off. Well, the Ocean Breeze, you can kind of see it. It's like a pretty blue color. I mean, the name is Ocean Breeze, so you know if it's going to be like something oceany, it's blue. That's a little scary. Okay, let's find a brush. What brush do we want to use? Okay, we're going to use, this is one of my new brushes I just got. Hey MK Go brush. Okay, we're just going to kind of be very careful. I'm going to put a sheet of paper underneath. Absolutely terrified I'm going to make a mess. It's already open, so it's that safety seal is oh yeah, it's coming up. Okay, I can bend it in half. We're gonna go in with this. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Man, that's pretty. Oh wow. Yep, that's pretty. It's interesting. Oh my gosh, the glitter, you guys. Let me just seal this up so I don't accidentally knock it over and make a giant mess. It's quite pretty. And I'm getting glitter everywhere. Oh, wow. Yep, that's pretty. You guys see that? All right there. And look at that. That eyeliner is really shifting crazily. Yeah, that's really pretty. It's definitely blue Very light blue. Like, I know that says intense pigments, but that's what you're getting on my hand. A lot of glitter, a lot of glitter. Okay, so then of course we do have the Promise palette. And I had a little teaser out on this that they had released. This is Mermaid Scales Cosmetics and Ice Cream Beauties exclusive called Mermaid Tails. Right away, I'll just let you guys know this is made in China. Okay. That's pretty. So there's a mirror. There's a shade saver, of course. Let me see if the shade saver is going to come off. It's kind of staticky. Very pretty. Okay, there we go. Look how pretty those shades are. Of course, you guys know how much I love purple, so I'm right away drawn to that beautiful, beautiful purples. I think, let's see. Shades are Sand, Sea Witch, Ursula, Splash, Siren, Dazzle, Fantastic, Mermaid, Ocean, Coral Reef, Seashell, and Seaweed. Wow, that's pretty. That seashell shade, which is right by my finger here, down here, that almost looks kind of shifty. I think they're supposed to be a little shifty and some. Ooh, this one. Wow. All right, how are we going to do this without killing you guys with the mirror? Some of these are shifting pretty seriously. I really need to cover the mirror. I'm going to get bad reflections, but the two shimmer shades or glitter shades are super shifty. This one here and then the one over here. They are catching some different shades, different shifts. Wow. I mean, I'm talking like purple to green. And then like red to blue to purple down here. Purples and greens here. So very shifty shades. That's really pretty. That's awesome. I got to decide if I'm going to keep it because I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it. I don't want to swatch it because then I have to keep it. And y'all know, I've been trying to be really good and trying to be... I have so many swatched palettes, you guys, that I haven't... I thought, I swear to God, I was going to use them, and I haven't been. Although I love the shifty shades in these, there's only what appears to be 2 shifting shades in here. You know, and I have some very similar to it, so I don't know. We'll see if I keep this or not. I'm trying not to hoard so much makeup because I'm actually running out of storage. This is really pretty. Obviously, I've sampled that. I might go in and try to deepen up the swatch on my hand. If I can get this to open without making a mess. It's a really pretty blue. I mean, I don't have primer on. I don't have a glitter glue on, but it's this really, like, beautiful, soft blue that, you know, very glittery. But, I mean, it's pretty. And that eyeliner next to it is stunning. Really shifting shade, you know, wild colors. So that's, you know, a lot of glitter. You would definitely need to use a glitter glue, set it with some good setting spray. This eyeliner is lovely. That's a fun eyeliner. All right, so last thing we were going to do is see how smudgeable this lipstick is. It's, you know, already coming off in my hand because there was one wet spot, but that wasn't quite dry. But I can feel the areas that are dry. They do come a little bit off, so this is something that would it would rub off if you really, you know, took a napkin and really rubbed. But I think once it dries down, you're not going to have too much trouble with it, like moving all over. I just wonder how dry on the lips it's going to be. Since I swatched it, you guys, let's go ahead. I don't have any makeup on. I've been outside all day doing stuff on the farm, and then I did go birding, so I'm a mess. But let's try this. I mean, I don't even have on like lip liner. Oh God! And then I made a mess. It's pretty color. it feels pretty nice on the lips so far. I don't like the ones that dry down so harsh. You feel like it's kind of like squeezing your lips. What do you think? I think it's a pretty color. I'm not really a bold lip girl, but this is a shade I could get behind. Very much like a metallic-y red. I can't tell if it's really orangey or not. To be a little bit more careful about like application. I got a little aggressive there, but a little sticky. Not bad. Nice, right? Came in the box. Okay, so let's quick go through. I don't think I told you the cost on this. $35. Again, this box is $25. So this is $35 MSRP. This was $42. The awesome multi-chrome eyeliner is $12. This little loose pigment is $10. They call it a loose shimmer pigment, and it's very shimmery, very shimmery. And then the matte liquid lipstick, it's Beauty for Certain, $22 for that. So, and here it is again. That's what it looks like. Just, you know. So you get a lot of MSRP value in this, right? So that's 50, 60, 70, 80 to like $100 value. 115-ish dollar value. That's impressive for 25 bucks. That's mirroring like the whole concept of Boxy and Ipsy and stuff. So pretty good. I think this is a pretty good month, you guys. Do you have a favorite product I showed you? I mean, the eyeshadow palette was lovely. That's a beautiful palette. If I didn't already have so many palettes in my collection that were opened that actually have those shades, I would really, I really do want to swatch that, but I don't want to be wasteful. This is cool. I like the look of this liquid eyeliner. It is freaking gorgeous. I mean, it's shifting all over the place. It's crazy. Can you imagine? That is going to be fun to play with. Not really a loose, shimmery pigment girl, but that's a pretty color. That's a pretty color. I might be able to make that work with some purple underneath it. Do like a purple shift underneath it. Because I think that would really... I think with the right kind of purple under that beautiful blue, you'd get some cool shifty look to that. This isn't... It's drying down. It's a little... I'm getting a little stick. Like the lips want to stick together a little bit. But hardly noticeable. As, you know, I like it. I made a mess. Got a little wonky. It definitely feels like it would stain, but of course it's red. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. And then, are you subscribed? Are you thinking about subscribing? Are you holding off for a particular reason? I get it if funds are tight. I get it. I think there's a lot of value in this box. We had a eyeshadow palette. We had eyeliner. We had lipstick, moisturizer, right? And, you know, a loose shimmer. This is kind of, it's okay. Not my favorite. I'm not a big loose shimmer girl. I got them all over my desk here because I haven't done a ton with them. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, you guys. I really appreciate you watching this. I hope you guys are having a good weekend or week, depending on when you're watching this. I got a little behind on making this video, but yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it. Let me know your thoughts, as I always say. And I appreciate you guys. I had a winner for my $2,500 or $2,500. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that be nice? Wow. Yeah, no. 2,500 subscriber level giveaway. Make sure you watch that video. It's really important to watch that video, okay? Really important. Watch the video all the way to the end. Okay? Wink, wink, nod, nod. All right, guys. Have a great one, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.